Hello, how are you? Welcome back to my Flip Through Friday videos. I'm so excited to have you here, and this album contained August and September pages. Now these pages, I really enjoy using the Facts and Feelings kit to kick things off. This was the start of August, and I loved using up bits and scraps from my mixed media pieces to bring it all together. But most importantly, I love using some of the repeating elements like these alphas, but then also adding in some just bits of unexpected fun. I liked how these could fit, in these little thumb notches. So moving on, this was one of my lessons from Pockets of Fun, using just the full pockets to create something a bit more interactive. So I'll link that down below for you for my class, and then just moving on, telling our everyday stories. I like using this as a holding point or flipping point, and just leaning into these labels as just offering a quick spot for journaling. I didn't do a whole lot of journaling for this. This was also from that class, Pockets of Fun, and I can finish it off with the Facts and Feelings paper. Continuing on as well, just having fun with some of these layouts. This was also part of my class, so there were quite a lot of lessons in that class and projects, so you could check that out over Big Picture Classes. If you're not already a member, you can sign up and get a free trial for 2 weeks and have full access to all the classes there, including my classes. And to continue on here, using the Stories by the Month kit, and then September. And I like documenting September. It was a short month because we traveled to Disneyland and California at the end of this month, so this was just up to the 21st of September, and or the 22nd, yeah, the 21st actually. And then I will document our travels in the next album. So that's the album that I'm currently organizing photos for and working on, and I'm going to share those process videos with you here on YouTube. That'll be my Disney album and our family vacation for that trip, which was over a month. So there'll be a lot of process videos coming out of that. So I hope that you would subscribe to our channel and just continue keeping an eye out for those, so that you can join me in that journey. If you have holidays coming up, it will be a nice time to look at those videos to see how I planned to document those. And I really love these little pockets with, the shaker and just stitching across the top. I thought that came out really cute. Clearly I worked on this after December because I was already stitching. And I only learned how to stitch during December daily, or while working on December daily things. So this is the end of this album, and I really love how this album came out as well. I love using these circles and quotation marks, and this color scheme is super cute. So yes, thank you for joining me for these flip throughs, and I hope to share the next set of videos with you as process videos as I work through. That will be September till the end of October, documenting our travels, and then I'll have one more album which would be November, and that would be the end of my everyday documenting for 2023. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.